It's been a frustratingly quiet year out of Sony's Alpha division. From new mirrorless bodies to lenses, the cadence of announcements has felt off, particularly considering how competitive the mirrorless camera market is becoming. But now there's a glimmer of hope. A reliable rumor is making the rounds that the next full-frame Alpha, tentatively named Sony A7V, will land between January and March 2025. That timeline suggests a possible announcement late in 2024, though insiders caution that could slide. What makes this rumor compelling is the consistency of sources. Two independent, trusted insiders claim Sony is targeting Q1 2025 for customer availability. Yet at this stage, much remains uncertain. We don't have final specs, pricing is speculative, and whether the camera leans incremental or ambitious is still under debate. What follows is a more fleshed-out version of the rumor tapestry. What we might see, what we likely won't, and what it could mean for Sony's mirrorless lineup and the photo/video hybrid market. Timeline and delay theories. From what we've gathered, original plan, rumored the A7V was expected to be announced in October 2024, just 1 month away from now, in context of the video. Revised plan, the announcement slipped, and the current best guess is a shipping window in Q1 2025, January-March. Why the delay? According to rumors, production bottlenecks across the industry have been pushing many camera launches back. Canon Japan, in particular, has reportedly confirmed delays in its own pipeline. The supply chain issues might also explain postponed launches at Sony for new lenses and bodies. In short, Sony is likely aligning with broader supply constraints, rather than waiting for some perfect new tech. That said, the longer a product gestates, the more pressure there is to make it meaningfully better, not just another incremental refresh. Registration clue. Model code WW773396. A critical piece of circumstantial evidence. Sony has newly registered a camera model in China under the code WW773396, supporting dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz/5.1 GHz. The registration strongly suggests it's a higher-end body, not an entry-level model. That aligns with many commentators speculating this may indeed be the A7V. Since such registrations often precede product launches by several months, this adds weight to the notion of an early 2025 availability. If it were simply a minor variant, the expectation would be lower. But the hints here point towards something substantial. Two development paths, conservative versus ambitious. Insiders and rumor aggregators generally propose two contrasting paths for how Sony could develop the A7V. Either the new body will be a steady, reliable evolution over the A7 IV, or it could take a bolder leap into new territory. Let's break down those two possible trajectories. 1. Incremental/iterative upgrade. In this scenario, Sony retains many of the core design philosophies of the A7 IV, but tunes and enhances key areas. Some expected improvements might include sensor, retaining a 33MP full-frame CMOS or XMR sensor, perhaps a refined version, with better low-light performance, dynamic range, and readout speed. Processor plus AI, combining the Bion's XR engine with possibly a scaled-down version of the AI chip found in the A93 or other high-end models to boost subject detection, tracking, and autofocus optimization. Autofocus/subject detection. Smarter, faster AI-powered autofocus capable of better subject recognition. People, animals, vehicles. Burst rate. Something like 10 frames per second, FPS, in compressed RAW or JPEG, matching many hybrid models today. EVF/viewfinder. Upgraded electronic viewfinder with around 5.76 m dots, an improvement from the A7IV's 3.68 m. Video continuation. Continuation of 4K 60p capture with high bit rates and richer color depth. 10-bit, perhaps 4:2:2, to give creators more flexibility in post, ergonomics and durability. Borrowing material design cues, grip, button layout, build quality,